Woo!
It's by some friends of mine from Colombia and also St. Louis, kind of. They've played in this garage before, apparently.
Hell yes.
We'll see. I don't even know the words to this song, totally, but it doesn't matter. And they won't tell me what the real ones are. Don't ever find me.
Oh.
I don't live in your town. Don't ever find me. I don't want to be found. You never know me. You can search from every sort. You never know me. We've never met before. Drive your car all night till the weight escapes me. Search the tops of the trees and the people in the streets. Ooh, ooh. Don't ever find me. I don't want to be found. Don't ever find me. I will always let you down.
Yeah! Woo!
Cool. I'm gonna play one more song. Thanks for listening.
Are you gonna do You're Not DIY? Can you do that?
I can do 2 more songs.
That's what yeah, 2 more songs.
One song that you want to do and one song one song that you want to do, one song.
2 more songs.
This is like the night of me playing songs that I never play.
That's the fucking Garage Lodge, dude.
So now I just gotta remember
Welcome
all the
to
words
it.
to this song.
Wait, what last song were you gonna do?
I was gonna play Billy Was.
Okay, cool. All right, do that, and then we'll do this, and then do that. Yeah.
Okay.
That was the other one I was gonna
Man, I just gotta
be
think
an
about
asshole
I'll be
about.
really mad if you messes them up.
Yeah, dude, how dare you?
Not so much a problem right now, except that I can't think of the very first line, so I can't start.
Isn't it? You're not DIY.
Woke up this morning.
If you own a car.
We'll go. I don't remember if that's the first verse or not. I'm just gonna go with that.